Maestro. Yeah.
Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Vanessa, and today I'm doing a very fun video. I love filming these, but I am redecorating my room once again. So if you guys have noticed recently on my channel, I love the 80s and retro, so I am going to be doing some decorations to my room that are retro, very 80s. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. That supports me and my channel. So yeah, let's just start right into the redecoration. So, let me tell you what's going on in this episode of Vanessa Does Way Too Many Redecoration Videos. Basically, this whole grossness back here, let me just give you a better view. I don't like anything of what's going on in basically the two biggest open spaces of my room. It's boring, I don't like the setup. We are redoing this. I don't know what I want to do, but it's boring and I don't like it. Let's see what else we got. I don't like this anymore. This needs to be redone. I need to redecorate that. And then we've got this mess here, and basically I want to reorganize it and redecorate it. So I'm going vintage shopping, so let's get started on this redecoration. Keep all my records standing right there, but no more now because look at this beautiful record stand. Okay, there's like a music note on either end, and oh, this is gorgeous. It's kind of like tarnished and old, but it's exactly what I was looking for, so we're gonna organize all my records onto this. So I redid this here and I changed some of the colored push pins into these little clear ones. This is still pretty empty. I need to find some more like buttons and stuff to put up, but this is what it looks like so far. I know I've talked about this before, but to hang my fairy lights, I use these little Command clear transparent damage-free hanging strips. These are what they look like. Pick them up. They're beautiful, they're wonderful, you barely see them, they're perfect. Let's do something with my fairy lights. fairy lights are all redid now. I had put them up in the corner there, but I didn't like that, so I changed it. So I'm really excited for this portion of the video because I think records are probably the biggest thing to have to do with the 80s retro vibe. And so I went out and I picked up just a few $1.90 records, and I am going to be decorating with them. I'm going to be hanging them up. But before we even get into that, I really wanted to show you guys this cool subscription box by this company called Vinyl, which is VYNL. So they sent me their 1 month shipment. What this is for, I think it is $40 a month. You get 3 records that are curated to your type of music that you like. You enter your Spotify information and records that you already own, and basically they will send you out 3 records for $40, which I think is pretty reasonable considering how pricey records are. But yeah, so I'm gonna be opening my box and showing you guys what they sent me. It says to just tear off this strip here, and then it kind of folds open. Oh my goodness, the packaging is so cute. Let's see what this is. I'm actually so excited. If you guys don't know, I'm kind of obsessed with records. Oh guys, there's this cute handwritten note. Oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, so I'm gonna read this. It says, "Hey Vanessa, welcome. For your #Sonder box, I'm excited to send you the vinyl exclusive release of our," I think it says Into, "one of the best debuts we've ever seen. Next, thought you'd appreciate this fantastic concept album from the one and only Blondie 80s group. I love Blondie. And finally hooking with Yes Lawd," I think that's what it says, "from Nick's Worries." I have no idea what that is, but I'm excited to listen to it. "The dream team duo of producer Knowledge and my favorite rapper Anderson .Paak. I see you like artists like Drake and Sway Lee." Yes, I do. "So I think you'll love it, Jay." Okay, that is so cute, and let's see what these are actually all about. So this is the Sonder one that they were talking about. This is the vibe that I picked. I guess Sonder is the group, and then Into is the album. I don't know, I've never heard their music, but I looked some of it up before I picked it out, and it seems really interesting. So this is this record. And then this is the one that they were talking about, the Nick's Worries Yes Lawd. Just got this little X on the front and like on the back. So I guess it's supposed to be kind of like Sway Lee and Drake vibes. I'm so excited to listen to all of these. 3 new records to my collection. All artists that I probably would have never picked out on my own, but I get to like expand my music vibes. I just want to thank Vinyl for sending these out to me. So if you've watched my redecorating videos or clean with me videos in the past, you'll know that I never do anything without queuing up a record, throwing on some jams to redecorate and clean to. I think it's the best. So I'm actually going to be listening to one of the records that Vinyl sent me, and it's going to be this one here that I showed you guys. So I looked at the inside and it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm actually really excited to try this one out. Okay, let's cue up this bad boy and see what happens.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm in love. Okay, let's get back to decorating now. So I'm gonna be hanging my records up on this wall behind me now, and to do that I'm just using these little Scotch peel and stick things. They're the removable mounting squares, and yeah, I'm just gonna put them on the backs of my records that I have. So I grouped my Polaroids into groups of 6. I have 4 groups of 6, and then I'm putting them in each like empty section in between the records. watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed. Like I said at the beginning, I love filming these sorts of redecorating my room videos. There's gonna be a ton next year when I'm in university, but for now, this is what I'm working with, is this room, and there's not a whole lot to work with, but I try my best, I do what I can. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Now it's time to sit back and enjoy creation. See what Jai's done every time she tops me off at celebration.